So hi everyone, it's me Percy again, and for today's video, we are here at the Hop Court kasi nag-shooting ang aking asawa kay magpapawi siya. So far, good performance no kasi nakashot. So gaganahan tayong manood sa ganitong senaryo sa buhay. It's shooter talaga to yung asawa ko guys, no? So nakakailang shoot siya, lalo na paggabi, as usual. As usual. Anyways, nakahanap siya ng kalaro and shout out to Dudong kasi may kapartner na yung aking asawa maglaro. So, ang matalo is may pasuong-suong ba? Suong kuno kay talo man. So, again guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much and God bless.